why do some people are highly successful in life and why other people are struggling to get success in life? Is there any strategy, any formula to achieve success in life? How do you live your day? Are you successful in life? What are the strategies? What are the principles that you follow in your life to achieve success? When I started my career into this personal growth field, I was always thinking why some people are so highly successful and why others are struggling. So I started learning and trying to understand various principles, various methods about successful people living. Perfect days create perfect weeks. Perfect weeks create perfect months. Perfect months create perfect years. Perfect years create our life magical, perfect, beautiful, happy life. I am Loka Guruguntla, personal growth expert and transformational coach. I always learn the tools for personal growth, and also I am very happy to share with people. So, what are the systems for living a successful life? Today, I am going to talk to you about some habits that we can adopt so that we can live a happy and successful life. So, habits are milestones for success. Whatever the habits that we build, they build our success. If we develop some habits consciously on a regular basis so that we can craft our life in a beautiful way. So our life is nothing but our habits. You take example of any person who are highly successful. If you ask that person what makes them successful, it is because of their habits, their daily routines. So I am going to share with you my 10 daily routines which made me successful person. Of course, success is a journey. It is not a destination point to arrive. That is why when we follow certain routines, when we develop some habits, they bring success naturally. Let us look into what are these habits that make us successful, a happy life. The first habit is habit of consciousness. Every day in the morning when you wake up, ask yourself, how can I bring more awareness today? How can I bring more consciousness today? When we bring consciousness to every moment, when we bring our awareness to every moment, and it makes us to be a successful person. So in order to bring more consciousness, more presence to every moment, we need to develop habit of consciousness. For that, the practice of meditation will help us so that we can remain focused, aware throughout the day. What I do when I wake up from the bed, when I keep my foot on the ground, I just close my eyes for few moments and I tell myself, today I bring more consciousness, more presence to whatever the activity that I am going to do. Whatever the work that I am going to do, I bring more presence, more awareness. So this is the anchoring method. I anchor with these positive statements into my mind to stay alert, to stay aware throughout the day. So practicing mindfulness and meditation will help us to raise our awareness levels so that we can remain focused throughout the day. This is the first habit which I start my day with. And the second habit is hydrate yourself. Our body is made up of more than 70% of water. So if we keep hydrating our cells in the body rejuvenate and we get more and more energy. This hydration is very important. Taking water throughout the day is very helpful for us to live healthily and happily. Third habit is movement. Without movement, our energy will stagnate in the body. What is the movement? Movement is any form of exercise or practicing yoga or going for a walk in the morning. This will make us to be more energetic. Every cell in the body will get activated when we have some kind of movement. Especially people who are working as software engineers or people who are working in front of computer all the time sitting throughout the day. What happens if we are sitting continuously without any movement? We lose our energy and also our bodies will not perform at its best without movement. So when we have some kind of movement, especially in the morning and also throughout the day, for every 1 hour we give some break for our work and do some kind of movement, bodily movement, that will make ourselves energetic throughout the day. And next habit is reading, daily reading and learning. Without learning, we will never grow. Without learning, we will never achieve success. Leaders are readers. All the great leaders, they keep learning every day. You can learn from any source. It can be from books or from articles. It can be from watching a video on personal growth, or it can be attending course which will develop your mindset. So this reading will help us to grow on a daily basis. Generally what happens, many people, they read when they were studying in schools and colleges. Once they got the job, their learning stops from there. Because they feel, I am earning now, I don't need to read, I don't need to learn. But if you want to be more successful, if you want to bring more happiness, if you want to grow in all dimensions of your life, you need to learn, you need to read every day. And next habit, fifth habit is the habit of gratitude, attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is like a fertilizer, like how fertilizer is so important for a plant to grow. Gratitude is like that for us. When you are grateful for the things that you already have, your happiness levels increases. In general, what happens? We are always worried about what is lack in our life. But instead of focusing on the lack, if we focus on the things which we already have, then the more things that you attract in your life, all the good things that you attract in your life. So gratitude brings abundance in our life. Gratitude is the formula for success. Gratitude is the formula for happiness. Daily writing at least 5 to 10 things that you are grateful for. It can be for your own body, thankful for your own body, or thankful for the nature which is giving us fresh air, or thankful to the money that you have in your life, thankful to your relationships. So by bringing this gratitude factor in your life, you feel elevated throughout the day. And the next sixth habit is writing goals for the day. Without goals, we are not going in the right direction. That's how I do. Every day when I wake up, I write my goals of the day and I try to achieve those goals. It can be simple goals, it can be hard goals. It can be the task that you want to finish up for the day. If you write the goals for every day, what happens? You channel your energy, your consciousness towards achieving those goals. Without goals, there is no clarity. That's why many of us, we are going in life without direction. It is because we are not setting goals. These goals will set us a right direction so that we achieve towards success and happy life. So these goals will make us to live with more energy, more joy. Goals always help us to go in a positive, successful direction. Next habit is conscious eating, eating consciously, and also eating healthy foods. If we are not mindful of whatever that we are eating, that is not going to bring more energy to the body. Our body, we have this precious body, we need to nurture it, nourish it with healthy foods. And while eating, we need to bring more awareness to the food that we are eating. Unconscious eating habits we develop that will bring all the health issues. Because whatever the food that we are going to eat, that is going to bring health to us. Without a healthy body, we will not be successful in life. So we need to take care of our body, nurture our body with healthy foods and eating consciously. And next habit is habit of communicating with our body. Body communication. Our bodies are constantly giving us messages. Are we listening to those messages? We listen to our favorite heroes' dialogues. We watch movies. We enjoy listening to songs. It is good. And also we enjoy listening to our friends. Are you listening to your own body? It is constantly speaking to you. This body communication process will awaken, activate the inner wisdom. There is a deeper wisdom that is existing in this body. This body is not just having flesh, bones and blood. It is having innate wisdom. It will guide us into the right direction. Whenever we want to make a choice, you want to make any decision in your life, ask your body by closing your eyes for some time and ask your body, whatever the decision that I am going to make, is it going to bring me success or not? Your body will tell you. How does body tell us? Through the form of sensations and feelings. So sensations of comfort and discomfort, it will tell us whether to follow the decision or not. So keep listening to your body, spend some time to connect to your body. This will make us more alive, more active, more energetic, and it will help us to ground in the present moment. And next habit, ninth habit is journaling. Journaling is so powerful habit. Whatever the thoughts that you are getting, you keep writing them. Not every thought, but some intuitive thoughts, some useful thoughts that you get, you journal them and you get some new ideas, nuances that you get, you write them. Keep writing, keep journaling. What happens when you keep journaling? All your energy, your wisdom, your thoughts, you are putting it onto paper, onto a book. So that will help you to understand about you better. That will help you to understand about your own mind better. So when you understand about your mind better, you will live your life better. And 10th habit is restful sleep. Having enough sleep. I used to think earlier, if I work more in the night without going to bed, so that I will be working, achieving more productivity, achieving more results. But later I realized that it is not true. We think that if we are awake late night or whole night, we can achieve more success in life. But that's not true. Do not sacrifice your sleep for anything else, because we need at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Enough sleep, quality sleep, quantity sleep of 6 to 8 hours, so that our body rejuvenate, our body recharges, and our mind will get all the energy for resting and for recreating its space, so that our mind will be fresh for the next day. Without restful sleep, we will not be active, we will not be dynamic. So much process happen in the body, in the mind when we sleep. So follow these 10 habits, create this habit routine for your daily life in order to be successful, happy, healthy life. Thank you for watching me, dear friends. I'll see you again. Until then, keep developing these new habits. If you are already developed these habits, perfectly fine. Otherwise, if you like these habits, you start creating this habit routine in your life. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.